How to accept payments on Square mobile app. To accept payments using the Square mobile app, start by downloading and opening the Square Point of Sale app on your iPhone or Android device. Log into your Square account and make sure your card reader is connected if you're using one. Bluetooth-enabled readers will connect automatically once paired, but you can also accept payments without a reader if your phone supports Tap to Pay. From the app, add the items your customer wants to purchase or manually enter an amount. Once you're ready to check out, tap the Charge button at the bottom of the screen. Your customer can then pay using a credit or debit card, mobile wallets like Apple Pay or Google Play, or other accepted methods. If you're using a card reader, wait for the confirmation sound or light that signals the payment went through. Once the transaction is complete, you'll have the option to send a receipt by email or text. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.